Understanding Windy Weather, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, windy weather. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you describe the weather more effectively. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of windy weather. Windy weather refers to a condition where there is a lot of wind. Wind is the movement of air, often felt outdoors. It can range from a light breeze to strong gusts. When we say it's windy, we mean that the air is moving faster than usual, making it noticeable and often impactful in our surroundings. To better understand windy weather, let's look at some examples. A breezy day at the park. Here, breezy indicates a mild form of windy weather, pleasant and gentle. A gusty afternoon. Gusty refers to short bursts of high-speed wind, often unexpected. A blustery morning. This term often implies a cold and somewhat stronger wind, usually associated with storms or bad weather. Describing windy weather can be done in various ways, depending on the intensity and effect of the wind. For instance, the trees are swaying in the wind. This indicates a gentler wind, strong enough to move tree branches. The wind is howling. This suggests a very strong, loud wind, often during a storm. Understanding and describing the weather is a key part of everyday conversation in English. Windy weather is a common term used to describe various types of wind conditions. We hope this video helps you confidently talk about the weather in English. Stay tuned for more learning content, and as always, keep practicing.